Hello, NeXT community. I thought I'd show you some of the latest tech here. So this is called the Smart Light and Fan. And I just discovered it plays music as well. Pretty neat. Lets you skip through playlists. And apparently it's got a bunch of voice activated controls. So I thought since AI is apparently taken over everything, I thought I'd go ahead and make a human movie to explain where AI came from. And Greg, this is a little 3D mounting bracket I'm printing for you. So let's go back and continue this crazy story. So in day 27 of How to Train Your Cat, she'll probably interrupt here shortly. She's supposed to be fluent. So as you can see, we can monitor the 3D printing. So I'm sure as AI is becoming more and more self-aware as this story goes on, at some point it's going to have to explain to some kind of AI offspring in the near future where it all came from. And in this case, well, black hole played a major role. As you can see, we have logos. So there was a guy named Steve Jobs that had a love affair with a couple companies. One was Apple and the other NeXT. And so the big NeXT logo here, apparently, the software was written for AI on a NeXT computer. Okay. And then as you can see, Steve was ousted from his original company, Apple, over disagreements on where the company was going. So he formed NeXT Computers, and they had a battle of logos, so to speak. So NeXT has the NeXT logo, and this is the Apple logo, and NeXT is nested within it because it would play an important role in coming back and saving Apple. So this is going to get fun for you guys. All right. And I've got some tricks up my sleeve here. So I've been building these little contraptions like to hold mops and stuff. And so we need some special effects, right? So he got the Millennium Falcon mouse. It's an optical mouse that I've got working with these old NeXT boxes. And of course we've got the dark side of the Force. And I hope everybody's Father's Day went well. I miss my dad. It was the first Father's Day without him. He passed last August. So I thought I'd do this goofy video. At any rate, so as the tale of the logos story would go, this guy Rob got a hold of 3D printers and he started going crazy because he started seeing that these old NeXT logos were often missing or came in worse shape than ever. He knew something had to be done, so he started experimenting, and he's got them dialed in. So you can see kind of the originals up here, and then these are mine. So I went in, I'm sitting here trying, okay, like Cinderella trying on the slipper. No, that one's a little loose. Other ones are too big. That one's just a little too small. Of course, it's going to be, that one's perfect. Look at that. That's without even the posts. So what I'll do is probably use a little two-sided sticker, but it's a really nice reproduction logo that a lot of people will appreciate. I'll have those for sale on my eBay store. So AI, as things go, hey, we humans can make some pretty interesting videos ourselves.